I shave every day. He shaves his face. Dad shaves in the morning. I spray deodorant after my shower. She sprays her underarms. He always uses deodorant. I take a bath at night. She takes a hot bath. He takes a bath to relax. I clean my face. She cleans her face every morning. He washes his face with water. I brush my teeth. She brushes her teeth twice a day. He brushes after lunch. I write in my diary. She writes about her day. He keeps a diary. I take a nap after lunch. She naps in the afternoon. He takes short naps. I go to the toilet. She goes to the bathroom. He needs the toilet. I get dressed for school. She gets dressed fast. He puts on his clothes. The dog sleeps on the mat. The girl sleeps next to her dog. They sleep together on the mat. I watch the ice skating show. She skates on ice. He loves ice skating. I shave my legs. She shaves in the shower. He does not shave his legs. I vacuum the floor. She vacuums every weekend. He vacuums the carpet. I flush the toilet. She flushes after using it. He always flushes. I ride a roller coaster. She screams on the ride. He loves fast rides. I eat pizza on Fridays. She likes cheese pizza. He eats 2 slices. I wipe the table. She cleans the table. He uses a cloth. I throw trash in the bag. She puts garbage in the bag. He ties the trash bag. I squeeze the wet shirt. She squeezes clothes after washing. He squeezes water out. I shop for food. She buys apples. He shops every weekend. I eat porridge for breakfast. She eats warm porridge. He likes chicken porridge. I roast marshmallows. She loves the campfire. He eats roasted marshmallows. I make coffee in the morning. She drinks hot coffee. He makes coffee for Mom. I cook soup on Sunday. She stirs the big pot. He loves hot soup. I flip the pancake. She cooks pancakes for breakfast. He flips it high. I break out sometimes. She gets pimples on her face. He breaks out before a test. I clean the window. She wipes the glass. He cleans it with spray. I grill sausage on the barbecue. She grills for lunch. He eats grilled sausage. I ride a bike with my friend. She rides behind me. He drives the bike. I melt chocolate to bake. She melts it in a bowl. He stirs the hot chocolate. I bake a cake. She bakes cookies. He bakes with Grandma. I chop carrots. She cuts them small. He chops for soup. I make pizza at home. She adds cheese. He loves homemade pizza. I taste the soup. She checks the flavor. He says it's good. I make waffles for breakfast. She uses a waffle maker. He eats waffles with syrup. I wash the dishes. She dries them. He helps clean. I wear clean clothes. She changes her shirt. He loves fresh clothes. I wash my hands with gel. She uses hand sanitizer. He cleans his hands. I make a birthday cake. She adds candles. He decorates it. I buy orange juice. She drinks apple juice. He buys it at the store. I visit the dentist. She checks her teeth. He goes every 6 months. I jump rope with my friends. She jumps very fast. He likes jump rope. I get a mosquito bite. She scratches her leg. He has a red spot. I eat lunch in the cafeteria. She eats rice and chicken. He drinks milk with lunch. I choke on candy. She coughs a lot. He needs water. I throw the frisbee far. She catches it. He plays at the park. I ski in winter. She skis down the hill. He wears a helmet. I ride a banana boat. She holds on tight. He falls into the water. I feel cold. She wears a jacket. He drinks hot tea. I run on the treadmill. She runs fast. He runs every morning.